As of September 2019, HUAWEI has more than 570 million end users globally, and this number continues to rise quickly. AppsFlyer is a world-leading mobile attribution and marketing analytics platform. While ensuring that users' privacy and security are protected, AppsFlyer helps developers analyze advertisement conversion effects of HUAWEI users to improve the precision of advertisement placement and obtain the most optimal return on investment, ROI. This in turn allows developers to make better marketing decisions. Since Ads Kit places an important emphasis on users' privacy and security, it provides users with Open Advertising IDs that can be reset. To better serve global developers, AppsFlyer cooperates with Ads Kit to analyze the attribution of advertisement conversion effects based on OAID.
As the market leader in mobile attribution and marketing analytics, with more than 70% market share globally, AppsFlyer supports OAID-based attribution and will continue to support the HUAWEI HMS ecosystem in providing its clients with the same uncompromising user experience and data accuracy. Both HUAWEI and AppsFlyer are committed to their continued cooperation, aimed at constantly improving the quality of customer service and product support, and remain dedicated to building an open and compliant mobile ecosystem.
Ads Kit has been effectively protecting user privacy and focusing on building an open and compliant mobile internet ecosystem for AppsFlyer and developers around the world.